Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chocolate tres leches. Tres leches is a classic Mexican dessert and I'm making chocolate version. This has chocolate sponge cake soaked with 3 milk mix and topped with chocolate whipped cream. If you're a chocolate lover, definitely you'll enjoy this cake. First, I'm going to prepare a chocolate cake. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I have got light cocoa powder, you can add the darker one if you have. Add in a pinch of salt. Sift in all the dry ingredients nicely until everything combines well. The dry ingredient is ready now. Take half cup of hot milk and add in 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Give it a mix and the coffee milk is ready now. Take 3 eggs in a mixing bowl and beat well. Once the egg is frothy, add in 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Do not add the sugar in one go, we have to add it little by little and continue beating. The sponginess of the cake depends on how well we are beating the egg as well as the sugar mix. The egg and the sugar mix has doubled in volume and looks cream color, so this is the perfect texture. Now add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat it slightly until everything combines well. Now add in the flour mix little by little and continue mixing with a spatula. While folding in the flour mix, add in the hot coffee milk little by little. So basically I'm adding in the flour mix as well as the hot milk alternatively and mixing the batter. Meanwhile, add in 1/4 cup of sunflower oil or any flavorless oil little by little. This chocolate cake is so spongy and you can have it as such. Finally, our delicious chocolate cake batter is ready now. I have taken an 8-inch square dish, greased it with oil and lined it with a parchment paper. Now pour in the cake batter into the baking dish. I have baked this cake for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Well, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. Tres leches cake is my favorite one. I have already shared the recipe of vanilla tres leches cake. Here comes pistachio flavored tres leches cake. This is rose milk tres leches cake, which is my favorite one. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. The chocolate cake is baked perfectly. Allow the cake to cool down completely. Next, I'm going to prepare 3 milk mix, which is going to take this cake to the next level. For that, we need 1 cup of evaporated milk. I'm making homemade evaporated milk. Take 1/4 cup of milk in a saucepan and boil it. The milk should boil and reduce to 1 cup. Milk has boiled and reduced to 1 cup. Evaporated milk is ready, you have to strain it and use it for the cake. Take 1 cup of thick fresh cream. Amul fresh cream tastes best for this cake. Add in 1 cup of evaporated milk. Strain the evaporated milk before adding it to the cream. In goes 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Evaporated milk, thick fresh cream and the condensed milk combines together to form 3 milk mix. Mix the 3 milk mix nicely like this. I have taken chocolate mix here, you can even add chocolate syrup here. I have added 10 drops of chocolate mix. There's no specific measurement for this, you can add as much you need. The chocolate flavored 3 milk mix is ready now. Once the cake is cooled down, remove the parchment paper and flip it. I have flipped this chocolate cake so that it looks even. Prick the cake with the fork like this. This step is done so that the cake absorbs the 3 milk mix. Now gently pour in the chocolate flavored 3 milk mix. Reserve 150 ml of milk mix which could be served while serving the cake. Now cover the cake with the cling film and refrigerate it for 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare chocolate flavored whipped cream. Here I have taken 40 grams of milk chocolate. To that, add in 80 ml of fresh cream. Heat the fresh cream and add into the chocolate. Leave it for 10 minutes and mix it nicely. You can microwave it for 10 to 20 seconds if the chocolate is not melted completely. Cool the chocolate ganache completely before adding into the whipped cream. I have taken 3/4 cup of whipped cream and whipped it nicely like this. Now add in the cool chocolate ganache into it. Mix the chocolate ganache and the whipped cream nicely. The chocolate flavored whipped cream is ready now. Take the chocolate cake out of the refrigerator. Now spread the whipped cream equally on top of the chocolate cake. Level it evenly as much as possible. Using this cake comb, I am giving this small design. This cake can be served during birthday parties or any other occasions. This is going to be a showstopper. My favorite one is rose milk Leches cake and vanilla Leches cake. Look at it, friends. Delicious, super moist chocolate Leches cake is ready now. Serve the cake with the 3 milk mix. If you try this chocolate Leches cake, do share me the picture in my Instagram or Facebook. Look at the texture of the cake, friends. This is spongy and super moist. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.